Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to do a quick walk around of the garage. The S14 is finally here. We moved in Saturday and then I got it here yesterday, which was Tuesday. So it took us a while, but the Genesis is here. I put a muffler on the Genesis. The 240's here, I had to tow it here. There's a little bit left to do. I'm going to go over kind of like what's left, and then also FedEx came, so we might have our parts here. So that might be ours, I don't even know. I mean, Njuku comes through FedEx, so shout out Njuku. This was very fast. All right, so the car's in the garage. We had to tow it here, scrape just a little bit, getting it on the flatbed. Shout out Monster Towing and Recovery. They do a great job. Their guys are very fast, great customer service. So shout out to Monster Towing for getting the 240 here. You can see my toolbox. I went through and tried my best to, organize everything. Kind of rearranged a couple drawers. Everything's looking kind of nice and neat, kind of. You can see I got my bottles up here, bungee cords. This leveler is for sale. It's a two-tone low leveler from Harbor Freight. So if you guys want it, check out my IG or my OfferUp link in description. We got our oil up there, our cleaners, PB, brake, all the stuff we need, some paint, oil filters, extra parts, some more extra parts. S14C also for sale with S14 center console also for sale. Make sure you follow my IG or OfferUp link in description if you guys want to buy those. You can see right there I have my little sign. If you can't see it, I don't know. Alternator ground, starter solenoid, water sensor, oil sensor, headlight harness, and then the fuse relay panel, which I have to figure out how I'm gonna mount that so I could start wiring everything up. Let's move some stuff and then we'll go over kind of what we need to do until we can start this thing.
Why does something sound like it's burning in the house?
I don't know.
Can you come in? Like, this is scary.
Yo, the house just burned down almost because my sister wanted to turn the furnace on. Doesn't know what she's doing with the AC. So in the engine bay, you guys saw in the last video, I installed the oil pressure sensor for the gauges, and then did my alternator power, starter power. We have our water temp sensor, which you can see I cut the radiator hoses. We have to actually go in and get clamps because I accidentally sold the clamps that go on the hoses for the water tip adapter. So I gotta go and buy some more. The fan harness, you can see I routed that. Intercooler piping, obviously. I'm gonna go pick up the power steering adapter for my boy so I can get the power steering res on. All the harness is actually connected. But we need new lines for the overflow so we can reach that. We have to wire up pretty much everything. So like all the harness is in there. We just gotta wire it up to the fuse and relay panel and actually mount the panel and then wire up our switches. Other than that, everything's already connected. We gotta finish our ECU wires, which we have to loom these. AFR gauge with the bung sensor, we'll do that another day because we gotta take it to a shop to get it welded into the exhaust. This light's very bad. The clutch master cylinder, the seals inside where the pistons and the seals go, the seals are shot. So I'm replacing the clutch master cylinder and then also the slave cylinder. So that's what this box is from Njuku. My bride's also getting sold soon. It doesn't fit me, it's too small. Like that's like a Zeta or Zeta 3 rep. That bride seat, bride, same thing. This energy seat's just bigger. It's like, I know it's a large, so this will fit me more. It's not as much of a tight fit, which I don't know if I'll like it or not, but once I get my money up, I'm gonna actually buy like an authentic bride seat. I sanded down the roof and I also took off the sunroof and sanded. I had like tape here because it was leaking. I sanded it all down so the tape marks are gone. Sanded down the over fender because I had a bunch of scuff marks on it. Our fitment is terribly ugly and I can't take it. I'm either gonna get spacers or not drive the car because it looks so bad. New wheels, new brake pads, new rotors. Then we also need to get our intercooler mounted. I mean, it's not that much stuff, dude. It's just about, basically it's based off of like if I want to work like a lot or not. And if I don't work a lot, it's gonna just take longer. It's based off of how hard I work. You'll be seeing more videos in here and stuff. Before we go, I put a muffler on the Genesis. Let's go look at it. You can see I put the stock tips back on. And basically just put a muffler back on it. Everything else is still the same. So yeah, She's pretty quiet. You know, my family of course says it's still loud, but you know, people are extra. I don't know, I don't necessarily like it, but this neighborhood does have a noise restriction. Although there is a straight pipe Subi over there. This car doesn't have a muffler on it. I told you guys about the situation. We had some trouble fitting the stock muffler, which is up there. So we're gonna have to weld on a muffler. So first start, this thing's gonna be straight pipe. So sorry to my neighbors because it's gonna be loud. Straight pipe to SR, come on. Stock or not, it doesn't matter. But that was kind of like a tour of the new garage. Genesis is quiet now, you know, things are different, but you guys stay tuned. My next upload's gonna come next Wednesday. Will I have the SR started? Who knows? If you want to follow on the car and get updates before I post, my IG's down in the description. Also, you guys gotta buy merch. My Vinyl OG decal, high quality, man. This will never, never, never fade. It can stick to any surface. This is a really great sticker. My Simplicity decals are not on my cars right now because I have limited stock. I didn't want to waste them. I wanted to get them out to you guys. So I'll just throw a picture in right now. Yeah, make sure you buy merch. Guys, if you want to see like the SR finish and you want to see like drifting soon once it's running and good, and you want to see some more content with the Genesis, which is actually going away to get a different car soon, make sure you guys subscribe, follow my IG, and leave a like if you like the build and you want to see more. Other than that, that's it. Peace out, guys. Next Wednesday, don't forget.